So this is the powdered Scotch bonnet pepper. Because I don't have the actual Scotch bonnet. So this is from Jamaica. Yes, I using the powdered one.
So this is for the Ackee and Saltfish water or something?
So the Ackee boil before the saltfish.
Oh, so this is a different pot for the Ackee, however, so with some water and
This is
thing.
tin Ackee.
If you're there foreign, you have to use tin Ackee.
Yeah, Julian.
Let's see. I'm good. I always take off the label then.
And wash the can.
I don't know if I do that because yeah, I always wash the can though. I don't know if I always take off the label. And this is exactly what we have. So that you know should take off that.
And wash the can. Wash out the can. And that's it, just boil it a little bit. Because it already cook.
Yeah, some people no boil it at all. Me preferring it get some type of boiling. Okay. Alright. See? And we have the saltfish ready as a boat for use.
Open the Ackee.
Sometimes I know the open and move like you know I do nothing.
Yeah.
Alright, I remember people, yo, if you want to see the full width video, not the short, we'll put that up as a regular video. So you know you chew off all the extra thing there.
Drain.
Yeah, drain it.
And just put in a little bit of the water. Boil.
Some over there, so.
Yeah.
No, it's just a pour it too.
Yeah.
That people? Martin.
I'm draining the water on the Ackee. Yeah.
Alright. So, yeah, I'm gonna go broke up. But that's how you go with Ackee more around, you know?
We're 19.
Yeah, especially if you didn't have right now I have onion, tomato, some sweet pepper, and some garlic. Zoom in because I might be able to see that.
Yeah.
And now top boss I cut up the pepper then.